Day 2 of the body repair kit is going to start with a 5-minute upper body stretch and then 3 exercises to strengthen your shoulders and improve your posture. Each exercise you're going to perform for 2 sets, 10 reps each.
This is a 5-minute upper body stretch routine. It's a perfect routine to do before you start an upper body workout or if you've been sitting down for an extended period of time. The only thing you're going to need is a column or some sort of support structure that you can lean into. First stretch, we're going to work on the chest. Bring your right foot forward. Right arm is going to come up, keeping your core tight. You're going to hinge forward here with your head high. And switch. Left arm up, left foot forward, core tight, hinging forward with your head high. This is Billy. Second chest stretch here. You're going to bring that right foot forward again, this time with your arm up straight at 45 degrees. Keeping that core tight, head high, hinging forward. And switch. Left arm up, left foot forward, core tight, head high, hinging forward. And release. Moving on to the back, take your both hands, cross them over, holding on to your support structure, rocking backwards, stretching out the muscles between your shoulder blades here. And your small rock side to side. And reverse your hands over. Same stretch. Rounding out the shoulders, stretching out the muscles behind your shoulder blades. From here, you're going to walk your feet back now, holding onto the column, and you're going to drop your head between your arms, flattening out your back. Keep your core tight through this stretch. You can round up and then flatten back down. Round up, flatten back down. And release, come up. Both hands are going to come to the right side with the left arm high. Hinging backwards, resting your head onto your right arm. And switch. Hands to the left side with the right hand up, head resting on your left arm. And release. Next stretch, you're going to place your right hand behind your back and your elbow onto the column. Here, then you're going to rotate into your arm. If you can grab your shoulder or your elbow to pull yourself in, go ahead and do that. And you'll feel this stretching out behind your shoulder. Release and switch. Left arm behind your back, elbow on the column, and rotate into it. Again, grab your shoulder or your elbow if you can reach it and pull yourself in towards your elbow. And release. Last stretch here. Take your right arm, cross it over your chest. You're going to bring your left arm over your elbow to help keep your arm straight and locked out. Then pull your right arm towards your chest with your left arm. The key thing with this stretch is you want to keep that right arm straight so it stretches behind your shoulder. And switch. Left arm across your chest. Right arm comes up. Pulls your left arm towards your chest, keeping that arm straight. And release.
First exercise, Start with your arms extended, toes pointed, quads are tight so that your knees are lifted off the ground. You're going to start with your forehead down. You're going to lift your arms, then bring your elbows down to your side. Back up, and then drop. Second exercise, back extension. Toes are going to be pointed, quads are going to be tight so that your knees are lifted off the ground. Hands are going to be down in front of you, and you're going to rest your forehead on top of your hands, and you're going to lift your upper body with your hands so you're not lifting with your neck. Here. Third exercise, you're going to start lying on your third exercise. You're going to be on your back, core is going to be tight so that your mid back is flat against the floor. So there's no space in between your back and the floor here. Arms are down to the side, head is back, and you're going to lift your arms up over your head with the goal to bring your hands all the way back down to the ground here. Rise back up and then back down, keeping that core tight so the mid back's flat.